there's a person named Mick who is a skeptic and tries to take a skeptical view of every single piece of evidence on these UFO sightings. What do you think about his analysis? He tries to analyze in a way that debunks some of these videos and assign probabilities to their explanations, sort of leaning towards things that give a very low probability to alien, extraterrestrial type of explanations for these UFOs. What do you think about his approach to these analysis?
Well, two parts to his approach. One, I commend him for all the good work and effort he put into it. I've seen him build some models and things of that nature. And so I think that's something that's absolutely needed in this environment. No one's asking anyone to believe anyone here, right? Trust but verify should certainly be the mantra. But where I have a disagreement with his approach is that he's approaching from a skeptic or from a debunker standpoint. And from my perspective, not speaking for everyone, but when I hear that, that tells me that you're driving towards a particular conclusion, which has been a very safe process for the past X years, right? It's been a very safe business to be in, to tell people that they haven't seen aliens. But times have changed a little bit, and the tactics I've seen to try to retain that view on reality has included things such as completely dismissing what the aircrew are saying. And I think that is a fallacy, to think that we have to take the human outside of that analysis.